How to register for Heartland Bank Internet Banking. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down Heartland Bank and hit enter and navigate to the official website of Heartland. Once you're inside the official website, you can see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is tap on the login. Once in the login section, scroll down and there you can see register option available. Now all you have to do is tap on the register and you'll be navigated to the another page where you can register for your Heartland banking account. So make sure that you already have the account numbers and card numbers ready. You can see you will have to agree to the terms and conditions at first. Just agree to the terms and conditions and fill out the necessary informations. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.